me and my friend Cade, we went over to some redneck part of Florida and we got a sprint car. What's super cool about these is that they're off-centered and designed to go around dirt oval tracks, making a left-hand turn the entire time, just like NASCAR almost. And you can move the whole chassis with this adjustment over on the rear axle, so you can, I'm assuming, getting more camber for the turns. Cade wants to make it into a drift kart, so that means that we're gonna have to do, as John says, a little cut, and bring those tires in, and a bunch of other safety things like chains running through your legs, gas tanks going all. It's just a mess. Like, look, this redneck stuff, when your fuel tank is broken in the rear because of a fuel pump, the guy goes, I'm not even gonna fix it, I'm just gonna add another fuel tank. So there's a bunch of things like that, and plus somehow they started it with a bunch of water in the spark plug holes. Like, I don't know how he even started it. But he did, redneck. So I ended up doing the entire suspension, bringing the rear axle back. Welds are a little funny, but we'll clean those up. I still gotta do some steering and some other things. It holds, so. That's all I can ask for.
If we're ready, we'll be driving it real soon, as soon as we can get it out of here and into a place that we can legally test drive it. Fuel tank has been mounted. Everything's welded on the bumper. Fuel tank's nice and solid. Hopefully nobody will be anywhere close to behind us with how fast it can go. Got some new rubber on here. Some golf cart tires from local place. Remounted our brakes. The seat's been mounted. The bottom of the skid plate here so that we could get the chain ran without having to use any idlers or tensioners. Original jack shaft, and moved the chain over to just one side, but it turned out to be easier with the two chains, and it gets it on the inside of the cart, which is just protects it a little bit more. Our hand brake, which is currently the only brake. Our shifter works great. Got to add a spring to that, but we can make it work for now. Going through all of its gears. Have our electrical entirely done, with currently just switches Sharpie on there for different controls, and a nice new relay board on the back. Very aesthetically pleasing small little switches to a relay board that actually powers everything. Wires are a little short, but they will work just fine. We went from a 2-watt computer radiator fan to an 80-watt actual radiator fan, so that should do a lot better cooling, keep everything as cool as we need it to. The lights are re-hooked up and wired. All of the electrical stuff is done, minus the brand new tachometer. It's been pretty awesome working with these Crapbox cars, guys. Huge shout out and thank you to Grant for helping me so much get this thing ready to get, not on a road, but some kind of road, track, dirt track, long straight road, paved, anything.
Any place to just destroy all the tires.
That sounds awesome. But again, huge thank you to them, and it's been a pleasure doing this stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to Crapbox Cars on YouTube and follow them on Instagram for more awesome, cool, you don't see it every day content. Take it easy, guys.